Hello students, welcome in science class. Today our topic is on plants. This is our lecture number 3rd. In last lecture we discussed about animals. So let's start the topic, that is plants. Plants play a very important role in our life. So first of all, it is important for us to know about plants. What are plants? Plants are living things. They are made of cells. They need air, water, soil, and sunlight to live. They cannot move from place to place, but their leaves move to catch the sun, and their roots move to get water. Their seeds can be carried by animals or blown by the wind. Plants are living things that breathe and grow. We see them everywhere, on land, desert, mountains. We are dependent on the plants for our food, oxygen, wood, medicines, etc. We see different plants around us. Some are tall and some are very short. Their body parts, such as leaves, flowers, fruits, stem, and roots, are also different. Now, we will study the parts of a plant in detail. As you all know, a plant has 5 main parts, that is, flowers, leaf, fruits, stem, and roots. So, first part of a plant is flowers. What are flowers? Flowers are most attractive part of the plant. They are very colorful and sweet smelling. Flowers helps in reproduction. Next part is leaf. What are leaves? Leaves are mostly green in color, where plants makes food for itself. Third part is fruits. What are fruits? Fruits comes out from flowers. They are very colorful. A fruit may contain one or more seeds. Next is stem. Stem grows above the ground. It supports the plant. And the last one is roots. Roots grow inside the soil. That helps the plant to stand straight. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. For understanding all these plants, we have classified the plants into different categories. These are trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, etc. Let's learn about them. So first one is trees. Some plants are very tall. They have thick and strong stem. Such plants are called trees. They have a big brown woody stem which is called trunk. They need large space for spreading their branches. Usually they live for longer time. Examples: coconut tree, neem tree, ashoka tree, mango trees, pine tree, banyan tree. Next is shrubs. Some plants are short. They have hard but thin stem. They does not have a single trunk. Instead, they have many brown woody stems. These plants need smaller space. Usually, they live for shorter times. Examples of shrubs: rose plant, cotton plant, hibiscus plant, etc. Now we will study about herbs. Herbs are even shorter than shrubs. They have weak, thin, and green stem. Such plants are called herbs. The stem of herbs does not have many branches. These plants take very little space and have shorter lifetime. Examples: aloe vera, tulsi, wheat, coriander, spinach, paddy, etc. Next is creepers. There are some plants which have soft, weak, and green stems. Plants could not stand on such stem and so they spread on the ground. Such plants are called creepers. Example of creepers are pumpkin, watermelon, etc. Next is climbers. What are climbers? Climbers are similar to creepers. Some plants have soft, weak, and green stems. They can stand upright. Instead of spreading on ground, these plants have tendrils with which they take the support of surrounding objects and climb up in vertical direction. Such plants are called climbers. Examples: bitter gourd, pea plant, bean plant, bottle gourd, bougainvillea, etc.